Hey everybody, it's your lovely Lazy Liz on the Lazy Liz Life. And I have a very small haul. Y'all looking, somebody threw a can in my yard. How dare they? What the heck? Anyway, I wanted to show you all a little bit of a haul, and then your girl's gonna go take a nap, because y'all know what? It's one of those days, it's a napping kind of day. I always say that, but I never go take a nap. So I just have a few things. So this will truly be a very quick. This will truly be a very quick video. The wind almost blew y'all away. So I went to the dollar store and I forgot what I even went there for, but I got like these little bitty pots and they were just cute. And I don't know what the heck I'm gonna put in these little bitty pots, but I got those. And y'all, I said I wasn't gonna buy any more pots, but I do need some smaller pots. And these look really nice. So these are probably more for like house plants, which I have. And I got 3 of those. Y'all see how fast I'm whizzing through this? And I've got some larger pots as well. You can see there. And I got another hanger to go on the back to hang my shovels and stuff on, so you can see what that looks like. And originally I got these to go onto the fence, but they didn't fit. So I have a different way, and I think the video before this will show how I'm using these, so I can hang some stuff on those. And I also went into the craft section because y'all, the dollar store's craft section is quite amazing now. And I got this sign, and I'm gonna write on it or color on it or something, y'all, because I have all kinds of markers because I'm a crafter like that. And I'm gonna make a sign for the trellis, and I just got one instead of getting a whole bunch. And I'm gonna see how this works out for me before I buy any more. And it's just made of metal, and they cut it into a shape. I guess they used a die cut it into a shape. And so if it rusts, that will be fine with me. The rustier the better, because I like old worn stuff that kind of has that vintage feel to it. I also got, let's see here. I got another piece of fencing. Y'all, it's like a million cars coming past here right now, and all of them, I'm like at a T intersection cut, so they're all being nosy, so they stop and try to see what I'm doing. Anyway, I got a piece of fencing, and you might have seen this in the garden tour. In my front yard, I have a little patch that I have some of this fencing, and I just needed one more piece. So I didn't think they were going to have any actually, but we got one more. That's all I need, so that's what I got. $1 for that. And I also got a pool noodle, and yes, this is for the garden, and you all will see how I'm going to use this. I have an idea. So since I don't know how it's going to work just yet, I'm just going to keep that to myself. But I got this pool noodle. I got this from the dollar store. Y'all, look how small this pool noodle is. And when I got it, I was thinking, boy, they're making those pool noodles kind of small these days. So I still got it, but, and actually I think the smaller one is going to work better for what I want to do. Nosy people. There's nosy people in front of my house. Okay. And then I went to a thrift store. I was actually looking for some other stuff, which I found. And I got another pool noodle, y'all. Look, I want to show you. This is what I was expecting when I went to the dollar store. But you know, what you get for $1. So this was the one I got for $1, and this was the one I got for 25 cents at the thrift store. But I would have got some more of these if they had them, because I think I need more than one. But I really just got this one for a test. But since I found this one at the thrift store for 25 cents, I decided to take it. And, I went to Home Depot. I actually looked online because y'all, I always try to get stuff on Amazon because it's just easier for people, for them to just drop stuff off. And Amazon had, I was looking for like some liquid flower fertilizer basically for the blooms, because you know you can't put 511 on everything and think you're gonna get some blooms. I know that. And I'm a baby gardener, so I got this, which is more bloom, and I don't think it has the nitrogen in it. I think the 0 is the nitrogen. Yeah, because it's the NPK. And because the nitrogen promotes leaf growth, and I didn't want that. I mean, I have the 511. I can use that on my plants too, but I want to promote blooms because I have a lot of flowers going in that need some bloom. So for you flower growers, you tell me, what do you use on your flowers? So this is a good sized bottle. It's concentrated. So of course you just put a little of this. It says mix 2 tablespoons per gallon of water. So this should last me for a while. And I actually got 2. I should have got, all they had was about 5 bottles. I think this will be good for me. But y'all, if you try to buy this on Amazon, it's gonna cost you like $30 because that's what people are selling them for. I couldn't find them for any less than like $25. So I had to look for them locally. They didn't have any at Lowe's. They didn't have any at my Home Depot. So I had to go to a Home Depot that was a little bit further away from me. And I only paid like really close to $6 because I got a discount. So I got 2 of those because I need to start feeding my plants. They're still babies, but they still need some food, y'all. You know, babies need milk too. Well, they don't need cow's milk, but that's for a whole nother channel. Okay, now this was what I really got a steal on, was y'all these sales, right? Look at that. Look at that. I can't barely show y'all because I can't fit in the camera. So I got a whole bunch of sales, and y'all, this is probably all I will ever need for a few growing seasons. They're in superb condition. I don't think they've ever been used. And at the thrift store, they had like a big stack of them. I actually was looking for some ball jars to see if I could find any there, but you know, I didn't find any of those. But I got these, and I was thinking that maybe I can, I probably would never plant this many things at the same time because, you know, I'm not doing the market growing. I am just growing for myself. But I probably would need some of these. So I'm thinking that I could kind of cut these down if I need to. And that's what I'll use these for. So I thought this was a steal. Oh, and by the way, I didn't tell y'all how much I got it for. So I got all of these for 25 cents. Because I think they was just trying to, the guys in the back of that place, I think they're just trying to get rid of stuff. So I'm like, how much is this? He said, give me 25 cents. I said this, he said 25 cents. I said 25 cents for each, and he said, I'll give them all to you for 25 cents. He was trying to get rid of them. So that's all I have in my car. I had to look because I have stuff every place in my car, but I wanted to go ahead and film this video because, like I said, I want to take a nap, y'all. I think because it's nice and cool and stuff, and I don't know, I just feel like I want a nap. All right, you all, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And thank you all for supporting my sister cousin Belinda. I had like the title all wrong and I had the thumbnail all wrong, but we got that all fixed, and she's been on and she's commented, so we're all very excited about that. So I wanted to give you all big thanks as well. So I will talk to you all on the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.